And welcome back to the Tableau Jedi channel. Today's going to be a very short video on how to remove this ABC text placeholder. There's going to be times where you are going to want to get rid of this, and I'll show you a very simple way to do it. Let's go over. Let's create a calculated field. Let's call it blank. And then you come down, two quotes, press OK. Now all you do is you drag it over to your text. And there you go. So you can go in here, you can format, get rid of the row banding, the lines, and you also can close it. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, press the like. If you want to be notified when new videos come out, go ahead and subscribe. Thank you for watching the Tableau Jedi channel, and enjoy the rest of your day.